Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy here, back with another video that's gonna blow your mind. Today, we're diving deep into the world of transmissions. And trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. So, why should you care about the type of transmission in your next ride? Well, imagine cruising through the city or hitting the open road, and your car just glides like butter. That's not just about performance, my friends. It's about fuel efficiency, comfort, and straight-up driving pleasure. We're going to break down the differences between automatic transmission and continuously variable transmission, or CVT for short. These two are like the heavyweight champs of the car world, duking it out for your attention. Picture this. It's early morning. You're stuck in traffic, and the light finally turns green. In an automatic, you feel those gears shifting, one after another. It's like a dance you've known your whole life. That's the automatic transmission for you. It's been around forever, and car enthusiasts love it because it gives them that feeling of control. You know what I'm talking about, right? And with all the new tech like dual clutch systems, automatics are getting faster and more fuel efficient than ever. Now, switch gears and think about a CVT. It's like butter, smooth as silk. Instead of gears, it's got this crazy system with pulleys and a metal belt. It's always finding the perfect ratio, which means better fuel economy and shifts so smooth you barely notice them. If you're all about that city life, dealing with stop-and-go traffic, a CVT might just be your new best friend. But let's get under the hood for a sec. Automatic transmissions have been around the block a few times. They're like that reliable friend who's always got your back. Big names like Toyota and Ford have been tweaking and perfecting their automatics for years, making sure they keep up with what drivers want. CVT, they're the new kids on the block, relatively speaking. But don't sleep on them. Brands like Nissan and Honda are all in on CVTs, especially for their hybrid models. It's all about that green driving life, you feel me? CVTs are perfect for smoothly blending electric and gas power, making your eco-friendly ride even smoother. Now, let's talk about how it feels behind the wheel. Automatics give you that sporty vibe with their distinct shifts. It's like you're more connected to the car, you know? CVTs, on the other hand, might feel a bit weird at first. There's no shifting, so some people feel like they're missing out on that classic driving experience. But for others, that smooth, uninterrupted power is exactly what they're after. It's all about comfort and efficiency over that raw, mechanical feel. But hold up, we're not done yet. We gotta talk about the long game, maintenance, how long these things last, and what they'll cost you. Automatics have more moving parts, which can mean more trips to the mechanic and bigger bills. CVTs are simpler, but if something goes wrong, it might hit your wallet harder to fix. You got TA? Think about what matters most to you and how you like to drive when you're remaking this choice? Let me paint you a picture. There's this guy James, right? He's all about performance. He lives for those crispy gear changes when he's tearing up mountain roads in his automatic. Then there's Maria. She's a city girl, always on the move. Her CVT-equipped car is her secret weapon for navigating the urban jungle, saving gas and keeping things simple. These stories are all over the car community, and they show that there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the automatic versus CVT debate. It's all about matching your ride to your life, your style, and where you're going to be driving. So, next time you're at the dealership, eyeing up that new whip, take a minute to think about what kind of transmission fits your journey. It's not just about getting from A to B. It's about how you get there and how it makes you feel. Alright, that's a wrap on our transmission deep dive. If this video shifted your perspective or cleared things up for you, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more car talk. Drop a comment and let me know what you think or share your own transmission. Tailies, until next time, keep those wheels turning, however they're powered. And remember, whether you're Team Automatic or Team C, the most important thing is that you're out there enjoying the ride. Peace out, and I'll catch you on the flip side.